It's been said many times, in many ways, time is money. Nowhere is that more true than in the construction industry. The daily costs for labor and specialized equipment add up relentlessly. Today more than ever, building programs must be carried out with greater efficiency and productivity. By increasing productivity to levels achieved by manufacturers, builders' costs, completion times, and quality levels can be substantially improved. That's why the Outinord construction system is rapidly becoming the choice for developers, architects, and builders around the globe, and nowhere more so than in Florida. Since the 1950s, Outinord has been turning the unpredictable construction process into a highly regulated assembly line operation, offering design flexibility, saving time, improving worker safety, and cutting costs. These state-of-the-art steel tunnel forms are cost-effective, durable, and easily set up and removed. By introducing an industrialized assembly line technique tailored for the construction industry, developers and builders can save up to 30% in cost and schedule.
I recommend the system for people to do conventional, especially in smaller buildings. I have done one that's 13 stories high, and I'm doing one that's 5 stories high.
Here's how it works. Once you place an order, Outinord works with you to develop tunnel forms custom-made for your project. Within a short period of time, the forms are delivered to a staging area where they are assembled by the builder's crew. Our field technicians supervise the entire process to ensure that everything goes smoothly and the daily cycle is achieved. This initial phase helps familiarize your crew with the forms and their components.
It's a great system to work building high-rises, apartments. It is safe, fast. It saves you a lot of time.
Once at the construction site, the day's operation begins early in the morning with pre-stripping activities. A crew of 2 drops the forms to release them from the walls and ceilings. The joints are disconnected and the form is rolled out of the tunnel so it can be lifted by the crane. One simple, fast connection later, the crane flies the tunnel form to its next position and begins to set it in place. The crew below levels and plumbs the form and connects the ceiling joints.
It's an easy system to use. As far as plumbing, they have all the tools within the system to make sure this plumbing is always right. So we could fix any plumbing issues at any time.
Notice that all of the electrical conduits, the blockouts for doorways, and the vertical rebar work has been completed a day or 2 prior. All that's left is for a steelworker to set the mesh or rebar in place above the tunnel form. In the afternoon, the cement trucks roll in and the pouring begins, starting with all the walls and then the slab. A crew of 4 to 6 people is all that's required. One worker directs the concrete, another the vibration, a third wets the surfaces, and the rest spread the concrete and finish the surfaces. That means workers accomplish much more and your project comes in on budget and on time. You need fewer workers, most of them unskilled labor. That cuts costs even further.
What I discovered about the system after I use is I don't need my carpenters anymore. I do need just a few main guys, and that's it. Everything else is by labor.
Thanks to the daily work cycle, builders can produce 4,000 square feet of floor area every workday. Walls and openings are dimensionally accurate. The wall surfaces are so high quality, they only require very minimal patching or repairs. The finish is so exceptional that the concrete can be painted on directly.
This system pushes itself, so therefore guarantees you to get to the finish line at per schedule.
Because the work crew performs the same tasks every day, workers quickly become proficient in their tasks and do not require special construction trade skills. The effectiveness of Outinord's construction technology makes us a genuine partner of our colleagues in the construction industry. The results speak for themselves. Outinord Universal has helped build a variety of low-rise, mid-rise, and high-rise developments throughout Florida and in more than 100 countries around the world. The system is flexible and supports a variety of designs suitable for everything from apartments and condominiums to hotels and prisons. The Outinord construction systems result in consistent time and cost efficiencies that have been verified by more than 12 million built dwellings throughout the world. Outinord, it's about time.